Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. In order to do that, you first need to launch your Telegram wallet and then you just have to tap on this gear icon in the top left hand corner. Here you will be able to see the tone space beta option. So you just have to tap on it in order to enable it, and once it is enabled, you will be able to get this type of tone space beta on the Telegram's home page. It simply means that you have successfully connected your Telegram wallet with your Tonkeeper wallet. Now with the help of your Telegram wallet, you can not only send your cryptos, whether it is Toncoin or USDT, from Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper, but also you can get deposited. Now over here, if you tap on the swap button, you can even swap from Toncoin to any other coin like USDT and Notcoin. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.